Here are some of the many reasons why I absolutely love using steam cleaners to clean. If you're looking for something that cuts through grease and grime without the use of heavy chemicals, steam cleaners are the way to go. They are phenomenal for kitchen cleaning because they cut through that grease and they sanitize the space. As you can see here, there's a lot of stuck on food. So you can scrub at this or use chemicals or simply blast a little steam on there and then simply wipe it clean. Steam cleaners are also great for eliminating tough stains from carpets and upholstery without the use of chemicals. So you simply apply the hot steam and then take a cloth or paper towel and blot up the stain. Repeat the process until the stain has been lifted. If you're looking to clean a floor, really do a nice deep cleaning, or as you can see here, even eliminate pen markings off a floor, steam does a wonderful job and it doesn't leave chemical residue behind. If you have any sort of adhesive or tape that is stuck there, or even paint that is all over the floors, steam cleaners will make your life a whole lot easier compared to chemicals.